Mercedes-Benz Vision V. The Mercedes-Benz Vision V concept, recently unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show, proves that the next-generation V-Class will be more than just a cargo van, it's a mobile private saloon. This isn't just a show car, it's showcasing technologies that will appear in the production model in 2026. Exterior, elegant and sophisticated. Clean lines and a short bonnet underline the dynamism. The roofline slopes gently like a coupe, topped by a subtle spoiler. In place of the traditional grille, there's an illuminated panel with almost 200 tiny glass tiles, a nod to the classic Mercedes cars of the 1960s. The spoiler increases downforce, while the short overhangs improve maneuverability in the city. With a drag coefficient of 0.207, 0.27, it has exceptional aerodynamics for a van. The 24-inch wheels with illuminated accents look stunning and will ensure you stand out. Interior, first-class cabin. Step inside and you'll feel like you're in a private jet, with white Napa leather seats, transparent storage for gadgets, and a panoramic roof. 3 wide screens form a superscreen, and a 65-inch, 165cm, 4K display slides out from behind a glass partition. Materials like open-pore wood, polished metal, and ambient lighting create a high-tech haven. Comfort and tech electric adjustable seats with massage functions and retractable footrests. Transparent pockets for tablets and smartphones. Automatic table with cup warmers and retractable chess set. Dolby Atmos sound system with 42 speakers, concert hall quality on wheels. Powertrains, electric and hybrid options. Mercedes is focusing on its all-electric Van.EA platform, but will retain petrol variants via the common Van.CA platform, using 70% common parts. This gives buyers flexibility and lowers the barrier for those not ready to go all-electric. Price expectations. The current V-Class starts at €55,200, approximately $60,000, in Germany, peaking at €92,000, approximately $100,000, fully loaded. Sales in the US will begin in 2026, and with options the top model Van.EA can easily exceed €110,000. For a private jet on wheels, this may be just right.